This is the 710 horsepower 2021 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Because why the hell shouldn't this exist? Now, if you followed National Speed for any amount of time, then it's no secret that we absolutely love the various supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi models and are no stranger to building them. So when we heard Mopar was releasing a Hellcat-powered Durango, we wasted no time in developing our staged performance packages for them. And this one in particular belongs to Tony, who brought it in for our Stage 1 package, which includes everything you need to add well over 100 horsepower to the wheels on 93 octane reliably. In-house ECU unlock and smart access cable, JLT Performance air intake system, Metco Motorsports 2.85 upper supercharger pulley, Metco Motorsports idler pulley, and a calibration via HP tuners. Now, while this package is compatible with stock fuel injectors, Tony opted for the optional Injector Dynamics ID1050X to gain headroom for future modifications, and also added in the optional JLT Performance air roll separator and Motorrad 180-degree thermostat. After our Stage 1 package, she jumped up to a repeatable 743 wheel horsepower and 689 pound-feet of torque. That's peak gains of 123 wheel horsepower and 101 pound-feet of torque, with maximum gains coming in at 130 wheel horsepower and 121 pound-feet of torque. The beautiful thing is that this package offers stock-like drivability and reliability, but also delivers gobs of power all over the curve whenever you want it. And with that, Tony's Durango SRT Hellcat is now packing Dodge Demon power at the engine and is ready to make runs both down the drag strip and to the grocery store. And as always, if you have any questions, we're happy to chat. Thanks for watching.